Hi, hello there. Welcome to Sal Digitals. My name is Follow Logo. So I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds in your images or pictures, and you are going to use this website called Removebg. You can see the kind of pictures I removed here using this website. Now, it's a free website. You just upload your picture, but you're going to use the internet. You just upload your picture and you just press download, or you just press remove background, and it will just remove the background. Now, we are going to show you how to remove the backgrounds using this website. Then eventually you're going to transfer these pictures in Photoshop, where we're going to combine them into one images, as you can see here, so that at least you've changed the background and also the images are combined into one frame. Now let's begin. Keep watching. The first thing, I'll just come here, just go to the site called remove.bg. So I'll come here, click this upload image, then I'll just look for my images where they are, like here in the desktop, in the downloads. Then I'll just come and choose the image. For example, if I choose this one here, I'll just choose that one and open. Then it will just come here, then it will upload, then it will just remove the background like so. If you want to see the original how it was, that is it. Then I'll just download, and there is my image. If I click this, you'll see my image. Here's the image that the background is removed. Now let's see if you can remove another image background. For example, if I come again, upload image, to just go to where my image is are. Then I'll just choose, maybe I choose this one this time, and then I just open, and the image load again. Boom, the image has just been removed. If I check out the original, these are the original. Then I'll just download. Then let's go to the third image again, upload image. Then I'll come to where the image is, maybe this one here. Then I'll just open. This is the original image, this is the removed image background. Then I'll just download. Now let me sample the images. This is the image that the background has been removed, and also this one the image has been removed, and also this one the image has been removed. Now let's say I want to combine all these images in one platform. And now in this case I want to use Photoshop, so I'll just come to Photoshop, and maybe I just want to come here, file, new. Let me choose a more. Let me choose this one, 1280 by at least a rectangle one like this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just come to file, place embedded, so that I bring the image. Then I just choose this one here, then I just place like so. Then I'll just put it somewhere here like so. Then I'll come again, place embedded, look for the other image, which is this one here. The background was removed. You see, now you can combine many pictures in one frame or in one place. Then again, the third image, maybe this one here, then I place it again here. Then maybe I resize it. Maybe I put this one behind this. I'll just come here. I want to put this, I'll take this one here. I want this picture to be behind this because of this hand is cut off. So I want this lady to be behind this lady here. So what will I do? I'll come and select the lady, just to make sure I go to I'll come here and the layers, then I'll just drag below it, so at least it's there. Now if I want to change the background maybe to another color, what will I do? I'll come and click this one here, the last one. Then I'll come and choose a color, maybe orange. Then I'll come and choose a rectangle. Maybe I just want a plain color. I'll just do that. To realize the color, one of the pictures is gone or is hidden. So what will I do? I'll make sure I put this one to the background. No, I'll make sure this one is pulled up, then this one will be at the background. So you see all the pictures are in one place. If I want to change the color, this one here, I'll just come to swatches here, click change the color. It will change black, blue, yellow, black, purple, and videos. So guys, that's how to remove background. Simple. If you don't want to use Photoshop, maybe because of your reasons, and then you can combine the pictures into one frame or one place, then you can easily change the background. Now let's say if I want to change, I don't want these plain pictures, maybe I remove this, so I'll just come and delete it here. Then I'll just click this one here, account file, place embedded. This time I want to use this backgrounds I placed here. Maybe I want this ladies to be this background here, so I'll choose this, then I'll place. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll extend this one so that it cover end to end, like so, then I'll tick. Then you see one of the pictures is hidden, so what do? I make sure the background is in the last part of the layer, so I'll just come here and make sure this one is pulled up so that the background becomes up. So that's how to remove background, change backgrounds, and also make pictures background. Guys, watch my next video. Go to the description section, find more links to more content. Have a nice day, have a nice time.